Nintendo postponed the release of the Switch 2 in the US to try and figure out what to do about the tariffs that President Trump imposed on the two manufacturing hubs, that is China and Vietnam. The $450 retail price that was announced initially is likely to go up once the pre-orders are rescheduled. Apple makes most of the iPhones in China, but it has been boosting production in India, including making Pro phones there, as the tariffs on India is only 26%. Cupertino has been stocking up on inventory to soften the blow of tariffs. Once they hit, the prices will skyrocket. A new report from the Wall Street Journal with info from iFixit and Tech Insights breaks down the price of components for the 256GB iPhone 16 Pro and calculates the impact of 54% tariffs on China. The total bill of material comes up to $549.73 pre-tariffs, with assembly and testing bringing the cost up to $580. The most expensive components are the rear camera array, which is $126.95, A18 Pro chipset, which is $90.85, and a display, which is $37.97. The 256GB storage costs $20.59. At retail, Apple sells the 256GB phone for €1,100. The tariff is not applied to retail price but the cost of components. With that, Wall Street Journal calculates the cost will go to around $847, which will be an increase of $300. Again, the tariffs of imports from China is $54 compared to 26% for India. Apple was wise to diversify its production base, but even if it starts building US iPhones in India, there will still be a hefty increase in price.